You seem like I'm a random chick. You forgot. I'm popping all that Christmas shit. You know you get it from the back.
Wendy.
You whack.
Wendy.
Stop. Good thing God ain't had that.
Thank God I ain't good
Matter of fact, freaking ass. I'm convinced I ain't got shit to ask you. If there was person bitch you can have, I don't think that's
no more. I'm looking past you. You mad or
and when she calling you at 3 o'clock in the morning, that's so long. Here we go again. Now you're telling me that she is just a friend. And when she calling you at 3 o'clock in the morning. All I did was think about me and you like
damn.
like
well, I think you should pick any song.
You better hop in and bust that cab.
Now you know that I'm the queen of Miami.
You know that I'm the queen of New York.
All the laptop is a shit for your man. It's like blah 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 blah. I'm like, okay, what's up? Shut up. You are a mess.
That she is just a friend, and when she calls you at 3 o'clock in the morning. Here we go again. And now you're telling me that she is just a friend.
So it's over now, Wendy? Last night was over now?
Huh?
It's over now?
No.
What you gonna call it to?
Oh, nothing. They had a party. We were like dance together.
Christmas dinner?
Huh? We met with
I mean, when I...
Yes, B.I. Super B.I.
What are you doing?
Wendy, you're boring me. Kiss my ass. He's around.